Hey everyone, now that you've seen how to create your custom reporting dashboard with summary boxes, charts, goal tracker, and pivot table, we'll, we'll learn about new apps which allows you to track time. So just for simplicity, we'll create a new dashboard. Here we'll call it the time tracker dashboard. And first app that I want to show here is the countdown tracker app. Now the countdown tracker app allows you to create a countdown timer on your dashboard. So let's just say you want to basically create a countdown timer of the next video release. So I can just add a specific date. Let's just say on 7th. And it automatically runs a timer. So this, I can add it to my dashboard. I can also choose to add a date. So let's just say there is a date column type. I'll add an app. I'll choose a date from a view where I selected a view and based on release date. Earliest or latest. So in this case, let's just say I'll just change one of the dates to 17th. And it tells me that it will be in 11 days, 21 hours, 16 minutes, and a few seconds. So I can change the color and add it. So this is how you can create your countdowns based on the Stackby data. So you can rename this app to, let's just say, next video release. It automatically runs the countdown. So this is a great way for your team to be on the same page on where the workflows are going and how it's performing and what time it will go to. So give this a try and let us know what you think.